What's up? It's Emma Strawberrywood, Michelle Oakmore, and Selena Rosejack. She has introduced herself. Well, okay.
Brant.
Okay, see ya. I gotta go do quest.
She wants to get a horse so bad. Okay, I guess we'll just follow her for now, Nor. She's level 7 and Marin made a new account because hers got suspended for buying too much star coins.
Apparently. And now I'm gonna do a race, guys, so they can just follow me, I guess.
Charge! Nor. Okay. Bye.
I guess Selena Rosejack isn't gonna follow us.
Nor. It's Nor.
Or Nor, whatever you guys want to say. No, okay, guys, hold up. I need to start over.
I saw it.
Start over. Sorry, guys, I need to start over.
Well, now I have to turn around.
I'm because you're not even doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's not fair. You already have a head start. You're like not even playing it. No, I slowed down.
Did you really set a location on my map? Where'd you set it to?
I didn't set it, did I?
Where is it?
Bye, fam.
Bye bye. Where did you set the location?
I don't know. Guys, I'm really like no.
Yes,
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm feeling so bad.
I don't even see where you set the location. So I will set it somewhere
Guys, Selena
else.
Rosejack right now is being so naughty. Okay, now guys, I need to start over. Frank, can you do this race for me?
Seems like we'll be teaching computers.
Okay, guys. I'm like, she's level like 17 and I'm like, okay. So now you see me. Okay. Hola, amigos. Now I'm the one on this computer. Okay, so first things first. It's like really easy to control her computer. Mostly because I have an Apple,
Which sucks.
Thank you very much for that nicely well done comment. And I just hurt her horse. Actually, I'm gonna go care for her horse. Even though she doesn't really quite need it, but you know what? Maybe, no, okay. I'm gonna go to Moreland.
Stable care help.
Oh, no wonder. So, where's your stable, your Moreland stable? Because I want to switch your horses.
Is that Moreland?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go to Moreland while she's doing some of my helping quests.
You can just call for pickup.
Oh, yeah. I forgot, guys. Make your screen full screen.
No, or else I can't.
Oh, yeah, and it won't even let. Okay, guys. So I already changed my home stable. So I'm gonna show you all her horses.
Have fun. Now all my horses are grouped into one stall because of the stupid stable glitch.
Yeah, guys, I'll show you the stable glitch. Ready? Okay, guys. So as you can kind of tell, all the horses are kind of like all together right now. Okay, so if I go right here, so also if you didn't know, you can wash horses now. Woohoo! Yeah, it has. So if you arrange your horses, as you can see, it's a frigging glitch, and they're all in one stall. And you know how many horses that is? A lot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is click on. Oh, yep, your horse needs care now. And so, as you can see, she has 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I'm gonna ride Rainbow. So, guys, I'm gonna ride Rainbow Charm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna ride Rainbow Charm. because Rainbow Charm is like one of my faves. Sorry, but I didn't put you in this. Why is Maya in here?
Because she's my stable cat.
She's sleeping right now. Hi, Rainbow Charm. Oh, cute little mystical creature. She only comes out also like she's not
Limited edition.
Yeah, limited edition. And like sometimes once you cross a barrier, she changes and it's like beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, she's brown at the moment, just like the fire horse. Gray, sorry, I said black.
You said brown.
Okay, so if you employ her and you're riding her, as you can see, if you just keep on riding, you can see this little star area. That's when you know she'll turn different colors.
No, it's actually the location you set.
The location you set. Well, I don't know what location I set. So
you set it somewhere in Fort Painta.
Oh my gosh, Nora's just not getting on. I meant
Selena Nora was on the phone.
Yeah, I did too.
And she just watched.
We're not supposed to really say our real names, but let's just say Selena.
We can say her real names. They know my real name because of Rhea. They already know what I look like too.
We'll tell you about your videos. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to try to see when she'll change color. Do you know where she changes colors? Somewhere in Fort Painta?
Start going to Steve's farm and then you'll see that she will change. Or go to the graveyard near Fort Painta that you just passed.
Oh, you did though.
Go actually inside of the graveyard.
Okay,
I don't think so. You're too quiet.
the magical power is Guru. See, guys, as you can see, boom, after that, and the horse gets wicked fast. No. The magical power is about to fade now. Still really cute horse. Okay, so I'm gonna go find my friendly fiend. Just gotta go find my friendly fiend, Franny. Okay. Or Emma Strawberry Wood. Whatever you guys like to call her. I'm on Fort Painted down by the boat. Also, I'm on Franny's computer. So I'm on the Emma, she's on mine. Actually, meet Franny up on the top of Fort Painted by James. Okay.
Yeah, is it still recording?
Yeah. Like, gets through quicker. You have to click on the thing, dum-dum.
I just don't like apples. I'm mad at it.
I know, so am I. Sorry, fam, we're not paying attention to you.
Yes, that was. No, it's actually. I just saw myself.
Hi, okay.
I just saw myself.
Okay, guys, so, I'll be back. I'm just gonna,
I'm so.
Are you actually tired?
No, I said I'm so done.
Oh, I thought you said I'm actually so tired. I was like, me too. So I'm kind of tired, but I'm gonna stay up so late tonight, and we can level me up so I can finally get a horse. I hate apples. Go get your mom's computer. We can play on your mom's computer. Let's go get your mom's computer.
I'm trying to turn your screen, and plus, my mom's computer is her work computer.
You wanna go ask her?
Seriously,
No. Go ask her. Can we go ask her? Or can I use your computer, log in on your computer? No.
I hate it.
Oh, yeah.
This is your computer. I'm trying to turn the stupid screen off.
Go like this. Here, let me do it, Move.
You need a mouse.
Okay,
Like,
Move.
look at this.
I have a mouse. I just didn't bring it. It does
Apple
hate
products hate me.
Okay, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Why am I writing?
Tell me what I'm supposed to do.
I'm going to see what you just unlocked by me doing the quest right there. Oh wait, they're still on for like. I don't know. Like 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go pick a horse.
Hi, Nor. That's me.
Nor, is your dad back?
What?
Is your dad home?
No.
When is he gonna be home? Like, he's gone.
He doesn't come home until like 12.
No, I went in the water. Oh, boy.
I want to
Oh,
have
boy.
the same horse as you guys. But you have, like, no more star coins. I spent most of mine.
100 IQ.
I'm trying to get somewhere, like, you know.
Oh, my old club leader. I miss that club. But my best friend owns, well, one of my best friends.
Nor, where did you go?
I'm following you.
That's not me, fam. That's Franny.
No, I'm not even.
I'm following the south.
Oh, you are. Okay, I have another quest to do. Now what do I do? Meet Penny at the pony point between Jarley's Tom and Silver Song River. Where is that, Nor? Franny. Yes.
Just go down here. I'm going to meet you down there, and then I'm going to take you over there.
Oh my god.
For the rest of our 2 minutes that we have with my subs. Most of them are you and Grandpa.
Huh?
My subscribers, you, Grandpa, and Nor. I don't know who the other one is.
Okay. I'm just following Franny. Fran, where'd you go?
Oh, that way.
No, we're supposed to be going the other way.
And then you'll see me just trotting.
I need to find Franny. Okay, let's all go in a trotting position next to each other. Nor, follow me and Franny. We're gonna go in a trotting position. Okay, Franny, wait. Okay. Oh, and
Oh my god, I'm so slow. Why? Why do I do this to myself?
go.
Hit the button. Go fast. People, where did you go?
On the Moreland Beach.
Closer to the beach?
Yeah, we're over by the Fort Painta Championship.
Here, I'll wait here for you, Nora. I'll just circle out and jump. Ooh, this is my favorite thing to do. Jump fences like this. Sure, Nora, I'm waddling for you.
You want to know my favorite thing to do? Run into things.
That's my favorite thing to do.